Hi, there is so much about journaling we already know. So, what is journaling? How does it help? How it should be done? And what we can write? And how should we do this? Journaling is an unique way of conditioning our mind, and it gives our thoughts, feelings, and emotions a way out, and we can channel them in a way we want them to. Our diary can sometimes be our best friend, who we can talk to whatsoever we are going through. It's a great habit, and we should make it a daily habit. It can be especially helpful for those who have an hyperactive mind, and especially when they struggle to meditate or sit still. Can it be compared to Dhyan or meditation? Yeah, I think so. Like while writing, during the process of meditation, we go deep inside of our mind. We search and find what's going on in our mind. Similarly, while journaling, we do the same. We search our mind what to write, what we are going through, and we note down our feelings on the paper. Many a times, we ourselves are not aware of what's going on in our head, and we are just restless or agitated, frustrated, or even depressed. Writing it down in our diary help to bring it out. What's hidden in our mind? What is the reason about current feelings? What we are going through? While writing, we are totally concentrated and focused on writing, and during which all our senses are almost withdrawn. That's like in Pratyahara in yoga. So our senses are withdrawn and we are focused totally on writing. And our active thinking about multiple matters come down to a single topic. And we are focused much more on the topic at hand. So while usually what happens that there are many thoughts are simultaneously going on when we are in resting phase or even working normally. But when we are immersed in writing, our thoughts slow down. We are thinking slowly, more on a single topic or issue. This calms our mind, help us identify our thoughts and feelings better. The constant chatter which is going on in our mind suddenly comes to a halt, as we now can't think multiple things, as we are in the process of writing. And the slower we write, the more the effect, and the more the calmness we achieve. It can especially be helpful for patients who are suffering from hyperactivity disorder, who cannot focus on anything for long. With this practice of writing and journaling, their mind starts slowing down and they get better at focusing. So we can get multiple benefits from journaling, like it's a healthy ritual. We are better aware of our thought pattern and feelings. And by using affirmating writings, we can train and condition our mind to think about positivity. We can work on flaws by reminding ourselves daily while what we are doing wrong and what should we do to make it right, how we can change ourselves. So we can keep reminding every day ourselves by this affirmative writing. So there are too many ways to achieve it. So I suggest every day we should do journaling and everybody should try it. We also improve emotionally. We clear our subconscious by bringing out our hidden hurts and feelings on the paper, and over the time it stops bothering us anymore. It will improve our relationship with ourselves as well as with others. Enjoy journaling.